We don't care about injuries. We're freaks. It's sick. It's pissing.
Go ahead.
This is Shelly Bubba. We're doing Thai cuisine today. Bodybuilding diet food 101 in my butler outfit. How can I help you? 4-star. We're gonna show how we do it, baby. Look at the dirty. We don't care about grime. We don't care about grime. We're freaks. So this is what we're gonna do. Very crazy stuff. Bon appetit, baby. We're gonna get the asparagus. Bon appetit.
How many months old is that?
6 months. Bone dry.
Opened
We
already.
don't care if there's rotten grime in there. We're freaks. So we're gonna get that ready to go.
Yep.
Some greenies and some chicken. We don't care.
When you said apron, I thought you said a chef apron, but you're the butler today.
I'm the butler. Bon appetit. It's Julia Child, Jack Lepin,
Shally Baba, the butler.
Charlie Baba the butler.
Look at this.
You made the mess, you
No.
freak. Yes, you did. Charlie Baba. You're a freak. Go blow yourself.
If I would, I would.
This
If
is
I could, I would.
okay. Let's show what we're gonna do. We are sickos. Okay. That's Charlie Baba Fitness. We're gonna put some Pam spray on it. We don't care. We're freaks. And we're gonna get all the seasoning ready to go. Bon appetit. Oh yes, Julia Child, do the chicken, baby.
What other seasoning are you gonna put on?
Grime. We're gonna use Italian seasoning. Bon appetit.
What about the special seasoning?
Curry and some pre-workout included.
Yeah, do that. That sounds good.
No, I don't think I'm gonna do it.
What's that you got? Creole?
Creole.
I think that's PJ's favorite seasoning.
Creole. Some Creole food. Okay.
Mounds of it, right?
We don't care about mounds. This is the Jack Lepin diet. Where's the olive oil? I need my fats. How about, you know what we'll put on it? To make it taste good? Cider vinegar. We don't care about germophobia. We're freaks. We don't care. We don't care about germs or...
Bananas might go good with that. Chicken.
Oh, I don't
Banana
think so.
chicken.
Why don't you be quiet, you...
How about lemon? Open a lemon and squeeze it on.
Yeah,
there.
I'll do that.
There's one right there.
Where?
Right on the microwave.
Why don't you be quiet, you pinworm? You look like the pinworm of pinworms.
Pinworm is in Germany right now with a donut around his dick.
A freaking elephant. Dumbo the elephant. You know they're coming out with that new movie.
Yeah.
She's one of them. Dumbo the flying elephant. Hi, Nate's girlfriend.
Dumbo, the autobiography of Olivia's life.
Alright, now we're gonna cook this bad boy. For 360 degrees, it's some Shelly Bubba. The degrees are rising in the Sierra Desert, baby. It's sick as miss. We don't care about nice and stupid stuff. We're freaks, baby.
We don't care about thawing out the chicken.
Yeah.
Catch salmonella.
By the way, I need some mesomorph to get high. Chef Crackhead, this virus. Let's get some pre-workout, baby. Get all wired up for the meal.
Check out some of this shit.
Do you approve, baby? Woo! It's sick. It's
What's
piss. My pre-workout, my mesomorph.
I gotta back up. This camera's close.
Hey, we got some kratom to get high as a kite. We don't care about supplementation. We're freaks.
You want to put some of the bleach on the chicken?
Yeah, we could do that.
We could do that.
Hey, let's show the cover of supplements. Look at my stuff I'm taking. A road.
Anything in there you gotta hide for the camera? No, I saw.
Wait, I'm showing the cover what I got.
No.
We don't care. Boatloads of trophies with the butts on the back. Bodybuilders stacked high. We don't care. We don't care. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. The food sucks. The food sucks. The food sucks. Food sucks. Food is terrible. Cooked terrible. Cooked terrible. Cooked.
How long is this gonna be on for?
20 minutes. 13.
Oh, great.
13 minutes of your ass in my hair. Woo!
13 minutes of my ass in your hair. All right.
Peace out, bye.
Behind door number 1. And nothing too bad in here.
Okay, so we have a lineup of cigars. We have 1964 cigars, very hard cigars to find. We got some Monte Cristals.
This shit smells. Are you sure you're doing this right?
Yes, because I put apple cider, bitch. We don't care
It
about.
smells like burning plastic.
Ooh, cheers!
This looks like a nice one. What's that?
That's a Dominican Republic.
So if you run out of cucumbers, you can stick those up your ass.
Yeah.
Nice.
1964. Got a Julius Caesar cigar that I stored it out of your ass. A Cuban. My
Extorted out of your ass. Yeah, you said you were gonna buy me one, and then you got to the counter and gave it back.
Because I'm a cheap bastard. Look, I got a Cohiba, another one.
Well, the stereotypes are true, my friends.
Look, I got a whole bunch more nice Cohibas.
But yet, we still had to buy some for Tuesday.
Yeah, for celebration. Look, I got another one. Just go in style. Got a Cuban. It smells succulent.
That's a Cuban?
That's a Cuban.
What kind?
Habana.
What makes a Cuban cigar special?
Habana. Cuban.
In your opinion?
It's rare and it's hard to get.
Like Cuban women, kinda.
Yeah.
Rare, hard to get.
Yeah. Baller status. We're CEOs. We gotta play the part, baby. You wanna see my iced out watch? Let's do this. Here comes the iced out grills.
Oh boy. Oh, at Kava, they were telling me you wear your grills on the wrong teeth.
I do?
Yeah, try it the other way.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Iced out.
Do you think your mother's proud of this?
That's the wrong way. I had it the right way. That's not the wrong way.
Those dumbasses, those hippies that work at Kava. Jet's gonna watch this and tell them I said that.
I'm the iced out man. Iced out bling, baby. Woo! Butler with grills.
Do a kitchen freestyle.
You know my flavor, baby. I'm in the kitchen. Julia Child style. You got nothing on me, Julia Child. Jack up in. You're an old school cook, baby. You got my flavor. Ice cream, baby.
Do a tutorial on how to cook crack for all the hoodlums out there.
You know how to cook, baby. You could cook
On the stove, on the stove.
You could cook the weed, baby. To cook the stove with the chicken, baby. The apple cider, baby. You got thugs, baby. The apple cider. You know the flavor, baby. Mesmer ain't got shit on me. Oh my god. Baby,
You gonna check on the chicken?
My peacocks are going on the roof. They're invading my house. I think it's aliens from UFOs. Bon appetit! Undercooked raw. We don't care about salmonella poison. We're freaks.
You're gonna eat that?
Yeah. For tomorrow. For tomorrow. Now we're gonna put it in the Tupperware. We got our Tupperware ready. It's a meal tomorrow when I'm hungry for a snack.
Extorted that out of my ass, Tupperware.
Extorted it out of his ass. We don't care about extorting. We're freaks. We don't care about.
Oh no! You gotta cook. You gotta cook that more. It was pink.
About salmonella poison.
No, you gotta put that back.
No, I'll cook the rest tomorrow through.
They're gonna call DCF on me for letting you eat that.
Raw chicken. This is good. This one's good.
Are you show the camera that?
Bon appetit.
Show the camera that piece of chicken.
No, we don't care. We're freaks.
Let them see what you said was good.
This one's good. This first
Show
one.
show the bottom.
That one's pretty good. Not
Show
good.
the
The other one's bad. We don't care about it. We almost got it.
You're still gonna eat it.
Yeah, raw. We don't care about poison or salmonella. We're freaks. Who cares? Who cares about salmonella? It's the Julia Child, the worst cook in America. I'm the worst cook. Horrible.
The Rachel Ray of bodybuilding, folks.
The Rachel Ray, the worst cook on the planet. We might as well hang me.
Oh my god. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Hell's Kitchen.
It's Hell's Kitchen. It seems like somebody took a shit on it.
Oh my gosh. Might as well film the inside of a toilet bowl.
Yeah, you need some apple cider vinegar, bitch. You want some?
Yeah.
Tastes good when you work out in the morning, bitch. Lord Vader himself. It's sick. It's piss.
This is like a shitty episode of MTV Cribs.
But in a pile of shit.
Yeah.
In a pile of turds.
Welcome to my shithole.
Welcome to my dump.
Yeah, right. I think Lenny's place is nicer.
Why'd you be quiet? That's an insult.
Nah, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Alright, yeah. Alright, peace out, bye.